Ka Regional Committee Penbet Kapot jong ka East Jantia Hills bat ka Kachar Hills kilarai ban panpor na kesorkar Meghalaya bat Assam hadok ka khatsan trek uno opera ban pendap igijing don kambaro ke bedai bat ka jinge kran penbet pot jong kini ki artli jela ha rata cera. Kini ki artli ki Regional Committee kebele kendo akan homba Shillong ha ka arpu pra trek unai wing. Kile kran sani halor ka jinge sorjamin ya gijaka harata cera bat ha kini ke jinge lang. Kidkhot ke komiti na East Khasi Hills kilakam bakarata cera kedai keberanghap apo uput usam jongka Meghalaya. Hendrai namar bagane kejaka kahap apo ki jaka Biden kejingya kaja. Na kaliang ke komiti ke Assam kelapan ya kamap ya ka jingdon jongki jaka keberan hapdeng kejingya kaja. Kenang baga komiti kan yo ban syong bishar bat ban penbet biang ya kejingya sorjamin lang. Sa sisian haswa ban pen kre ka kaipot bat ban IT syaki menteri rangba jongki artli gejela ka ban long hapo ka khatsan terik uno opera.
The chairman of both the committee of Assam and Meghalaya have met on Sunday on 28th of this month here in Shillong to discuss about the issue pertaining to Ratachera. We from the Meghalaya, we have present our case. So, but since some verification need to be done to see which is till what area that the Meghalaya is occupied or till what area Assam is occupied. So we have shared that map of us with the district administration of Kachar Hills. So they will verify those area, and we seek time that we will submit this report before the 15th of December. So I hope that within this week they will able to complete the whole process so that we could submit the report to the respective chief minister of these two states. See, the people, they may criticize, they may think, but this is a big step forward, which I see that we should seize this opportunity where both the state government have the positive mindset how to solve this. It's not a question of haste, it's not a question of things, it's a question to seize the opportunity, because for everything there is a time where even if you want to solve also something or other will have a problem. But for us at the government, we want to move faster if there is any way to solve this issue. As I said before, taking into consideration the interest of the people living in the border area, taking the interest of the state as a whole.
Halor ka jingeki kinohikai SSA. Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih Ubak Lakmen Rumboi ula pentek bagi sorkar keladap hak syaka treasury ya kasong pisa balamang bansil tulap syakinohikai SSA ke beyaki. Bat syen kinohikai kin sayo no ikatulap ke ba arbenai. Menteri ula pentek bagi sorkar kadang yaya keran mentabat ke sorkar pedeng bahkan pelat no saya kasong pisa basis pak sau kelur tengka. Kadang bagi sorkar jelakan yo bansil no ya barok ketulap basa jong kini kinohikai.
Because of the new development, which how to process the payment of any government money, which we have to integrate with BIMS. So one day they have tried, it could not go, but I'm very happy that today morning that it could be clear. So the issue regarding with BIMS could be clear, and the bill have sent to Treasury. Maybe tomorrow we could send to the respective DMC for necessary disbursement of salary for 2 months.
Habapai syakahuri hura kabami na katamasa Cherry Blossom kabadang syan Hamadan Polo Shillong. Ubak Lakmen Rumboi kumu Menteri Korbari Kejela ulang bagane kejengja kelapan kendit yu namar ketenat kulit kelasyan mebrok pilat kelenti ban penti kena bakajing pahara Hamadan Polo kanong kebaklan bantek lakam yakin kini kejengja ibam sengok tenat. Menteri ulang bak sorkar katip bekipat bak kejela ki sengok tenat bandet cik tamasa bat namar kata ki board district bat ki pulit kilapan klan bhai kejing pahara. Nrai kidon ki Rio Shem Kabu ki Bashem Kabu bantaw kena ki huri hurai. Uletho bagatanat kulit kadang penlong mentai ki jung toket bat kansa register mokot duma persai ki beriau ki berhenti ban penjulor ya kinong kenti hakane kejaka.
All steps have been taken to ensure the proper security in that venue. But the thing is that after so many months and years, so we didn't expect that the people will turn up that much. So, some people also took advantage of the situation. So, having said that, so we have seen that Meghalaya, people love festival, people love concert. So the police, the district administration should take extra care whenever this type of thing have been, whether concert or festival being held, so that this type of thing should not happen.